Hello everyone, this is our wax melt. Control the temperature accuracy by sensor detecting with two separate temperature controller, one for heater element and one for the wax. That can display on the temperature controller if set 70 degree. Once the temperature reached, shall stop and won't overheating. Double layer design to avoid the wax color change instead of heating directly and more safe. Stainless steel raw material to keep the raw material quality. Electric type and electromagnetic type to choose. Electromagnetic much faster than electric. That make melting speed difference.